Hello, I'm Eileen, a travel expert at Asia Odyssey Travel, and this is my digital avatar. I was born in Guilin, a city of stunning mountains and rivers, and that's where my passion for travel began. Over the years, I've designed trips all across Asia, from cherry blossom walks in Japan to family retreats in Bali, spicy food adventures in Sichuan, and even handful experiences in Beijing's Forbidden City. What I love most is blending smooth logistics with authentic local touches, whether it's a private sunrise cruise or a hands-on cultural workshop. I always listen closely and take care of every detail so your journey feels effortless and personal. For me, travel is about creating stories that stay with you forever. Let's design your next unforgettable adventure with Asia Odyssey Travel.